So it's the 1st of January today, 2018, which sounds very futuristic. For some reason I always find New Year's Eve and New Year's in general more exciting than Christmas. Probably not as a child, but I feel like now that I'm more like career focused and goal focused, I just find it so inspiring. I don't know why, but I just get into this mindset, and I've been writing so many notes and just goals I want to set to do with absolutely everything. We've been getting up at 5 or 6 every single day, so 9 AM was quite a bit of a sleep in for us today. Then we're going on a hike for a few hours, which will be very exciting because it is so beautiful here. I don't know if I've ever mentioned, but rainforests are like my happy place. It brings back so many memories from my childhood, traveling to my favorite places in Borneo and Costa Rica and the Amazon, and it's just so beautiful. So being in this environment again automatically makes me feel relaxed. So it's been really, really chill. The vegan version of what they have. Colour is so nice. Potentially. Oh, are you going to pick them up? We just found out that the national park costs $65 each to go in. So we'll be paying like over $200 just to walk for 2 hours today. And Island and Dad were going to do a big walk tomorrow anyway. So now we're trying to see if we can do a walk just around here somewhere locally without going into the national park, because that is crazy. And we don't even think we have the money with us because we obviously have like the tour covered and we had the hotel and everything, so we didn't even think about taking out other money. That's a lot of money. Look at this, blocking the path. We can't get past. Our big ones, look at that one.
Yeah, don't get them on you. They'll bite.
Yeah, these big ones are huge. Wait, do you mean they're doing handstands?
It's like they're standing up like this.
Okay, you first.
Snake. It's huge, it's even bigger. Whoa. That's springs apparently. Can't really tell, but I have 15 bites. I literally pulled an ant out of my ankle, like it was like fully in there, ready to bite, and it hurts so much. Side note, check out Island's tan line. The weirdest thing has happened. I went to reception to try to find some scissors. I'll explain in a second. And there was this guy, this like local guy with like 6 kids. He said, "Hey madam," the kids didn't even really pay attention to me. And he's like, "The kids want a photo with you." So then I just take a photo with them. And like, I look normal here, but I'm literally wearing like my Kmart nightie and shoes. And like bites all over me and stuff. So I'm like, in the photo, it was so awkward. But anyway, the reason I have scissors, my hair comes down to about here right now, and that's so long compared to where it used to be. It used to come to my collarbones like here, so it's grown like a couple of inches. So I want to attempt trimming it because I've never done that in my life, other than when I had a fringe. One time I cut a triangle in it when I was really young. So I want to attempt doing that because I'm not too fussy about the lengths. I'm scared. I don't like it, it's weird. What are the chances that when it gets wet it's just like zigzag? Told the guy at reception that I was chopping paper. Nice. Hopefully he doesn't notice my haircut.
Does it feel shorter?
Yeah, it does. That's so strange. Do you remember when I used to be obsessed with my hair being long and perfect? Who am I?
Yeah, I'm getting shit now. It's good.
There will be hairdressers watching this just like wanting to kill me. Yeah. It's back to its old length because it's like shoulder blades. Gross. Been cutting Alan's fringe this whole time. Hopefully I'm not flashing my badge. And it's actually going alright so far. Is it a bit better lengthwise?
Yeah, I think so. It's still a bit.
Still long.
Still pretty long, like.
Yeah. It's like nothing happened. Hire me, email me if you want some haircuts. I can only do fringes and kind of decent trims. Try to do it. Really? Yeah, I've never seen them with horns. And that one's really dark. So cool. You said you didn't cough until you came back. You have takes. I've nearly finished reading this book of Islands and I seriously love it so much. It's so funny and interesting. So if you guys haven't read it, I recommend it. It's crazy I've nearly finished it considering I started it, I think yesterday, which is not like me.
That's what I did in Japan.
You better steal one. This room's really cool. It's a tent. There's like a zip around there. One bed, another zip, another zip.
We're
Look,
just gonna like,
two.
sleep in there.
Yeah, that'd be kind of weird if we're like separate. It's like, actually, I'm gonna go here. I don't like you.
That'd be so sick.
This is, yeah, these are the only walls, so like half of its walls.
I love outside showers.
That's sick.
This is the best day of my life.
Nice. This place is nice. Bathroom's huge.
Yeah, we've been fortunate with our bigger bathroom.
We're going on a safari.
No, we'll do it now. Do it now.
Akoida.
Yes, the light is good. And big elephant can eat 200 kilograms of grass every day. Oh, here we go. About to give you a full frontal. Check this out.
That's rude.
Just wait a minute and see what happens. Well, here we go. Give it a bit of an itch.
Why are the cows being transported? Look at the coffee plantation. Cotton. Cotton. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at the cotton. You just said coffee. Ah.